It has been 2 years to the day since coronavirus patient zero in our country. It was January 20th, 2020. A man walked into Providence Medical Center in Everett. The very next day, he became the country's first confirmed case of COVID-19. 2 years later, 68 million people have been diagnosed with COVID. 853,230 Americans have died. Thanks to the vaccine, fewer people are dying now, but more people are in the hospital than ever before. Our Kira Alfallen was outside Providence Medical Center in Everett this morning, where that first patient was admitted.
The first person to be diagnosed with COVID-19 in the United States was here at Providence Regional Medical Center 2 years ago. And since it was the first person to be diagnosed in the United States, the country was watching very closely to see how our state would respond. And we have responded. Since the pandemic began, more than 1 million cases of COVID-19 have been reported in Washington state. More than 10,000 people in Washington state alone have died from the virus. Now we are on our sixth wave of COVID-19 with rates of transmission and hospitalization surging to record levels. But during these 2 years, Washington state health officials say we've come a long way.
We're learning a lot in real time about how these vaccines work, how long protection works, and how many doses we need for the best protection.
We have now crossed an incredibly important threshold related to boosters. We're now over 50% of our population that's eligible for vaccine boosters have received those boosters.
There are now more ways to get free or low-cost COVID-19 testing. We mentioned to you yesterday the federal government has launched a website where you can go and order up to 4 at-home COVID-19 tests per household, free of charge and free shipping. And the state is just a few days away from doing the same thing. Once they launch their portal, you can order up to 1 kit per household, and that will have 4 to 5 at-home COVID-19 tests. From Everett, I'm Kira Alfallen, King 5 News.